literally just had the longest, most relaxing shower ever. It was chef's kiss. Today is just one of those really chill Sundays. I don't have much to do. I'm just gonna take a breather, do some self-care, hang out with friends, just chill out. But while I do that, I actually wanted to show you all how I've been doing my hair recently. You guys know I have a very love-hate relationship with my natural hair, and that sucks because it means a lot of the times I have to style my hair to feel cute and confident. I never really realized how damaging that was after like a year and a half of doing it. My hair just wasn't in the best shape, my curls lost their structure, it just generally was very frizzy and not cute, and that made me feel like I was really just stuck in a cycle of having to style it to feel cute. So at the start of this year, I decided to just like step back, give it a minute and really bring it back to life and get my curls back, because I really do love them. I would be ashamed to lose them, honestly. I've kind of have gotten a routine down that I'm super happy with, and I'm finally getting curls that I feel really cute in. They're super pretty and I actually want to wear out. So I'm gonna show you exactly how I've been doing that. It's gonna be fun, but first I think I want to go put on some clothes, so yeah. I'm wearing a dress because it just felt like one of those days, and honestly very comfortable to move around in. So you can see my hair starting to dry up and the curls definitely need some extra help. So I'm going to show you what I do, but before that, I don't like using a lot of products. I hate when it feels all heavy and sticky and weighed down. Like it's not my thing. I just can't do it. I like my hair to be like bouncy and free and like, you know, natural. So in the shower, the shampoo and conditioner I've been using lately are from the Biolage Smooth Proof range, and then once I'm out and my hair's a little bit damp, like right now, I go in with the star of the show, the Biolage Smooth Proof Deep Smoothing 6-in-1 Serum. I know, it's a handful, but this does all the magic. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of the serum, and you know the drill, start from your ends and then just work your way up. So it controls frizz, smoothens rough ends, protects from humidity, adds instant shine, nourishes dry hair and instantly detangles. So basically everything you could want. It's a very lightweight, non-sticky serum, so it really doesn't even feel like you have much in your hair. If you want to get it, I'm gonna have the link in my description. As always, you can get the entire range and all the benefits that come with it. They're also super affordable. The shampoo is only 400 rupees, the conditioner is 335 and the serum is only 300. So definitely go check it out and let me know. So my curls already look way freaking better. Anyway, whenever I need some extra structure to my curls and I want to make sure they stay and don't break out into a frizz ball, this is what I do. I just went down and wet my hair a little bit. I usually use the serum on damp hair, and so after that I just go over with my white tooth comb. And I know if you have curly hair, you're like, Riya, that's a complete no-no. Like, you can't do that. You can't break your curls before they form. But here's the thing, I'm gonna show you why it works. You guys, my hair is never this easy to comb through. I'm telling you, it works. After this, I'll just Dutch braid my hair all the way downhill. If you don't know how to do it, learn, because it's super easy. Doing these braids is just so manageable. You can wear it while working out, you can wear it while working, you can wear it overnight. Make sure you braid it super tight so the curls are as defined as possible. I literally love even sleeping in these because my hair is out of my face. It doesn't feel like it's like tight like it does in a ponytail, and I wake up with like really pretty curls. I don't really have much to do today. It's a very chill day for me. I'm probably gonna paint my nails, catch up on some stuff. It's super chill, so this hairstyle works out perfect. But honestly, even if you had something to do, I have worn this out so many times and it's actually like I think it's kind of like a trendy, cool hairstyle, don't you think? It actually even looks cool, and the next day you can open it up to really pretty curls. This has been my little secret lately and I swear by it. Honestly, I think this would work even if you don't have naturally curly hair. Try it out, maybe. It's time to open them up. I'm so excited. You guys, they're so pretty. Look at these. I've had this weird obsession with curly hair lately, and I love that I can have it so easily. How pretty it looks in the sun. Oh my god, this is gonna be my go-to hairstyle all summer. Yes! Like, I actually love how this looks. Like, every time I'm like, just look at how defined. This is crazy. This is so crazy. I love it. I'm gonna add just a little bit more of this to make sure it stays, and any flyaways just get tamed up. Show you bounce them. These are so pretty. Love this hair so freaking much. And the best thing is it feels so natural, bouncy, and just like, I don't know, it feels very me. Guess because it's my natural hair. I'm so happy I figured out a way to love it and wear it more often and actually feel cute in it, because after years of treatments and damaging my hair and blow drying it like every week, it deserves this. So yeah, I hope you like this video. I hope it helps you. If you try it out, let me know. I feel like this should work even if you have like straightish or like wavy-ish hair. So try it out. Let me know how it works. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment and everything. Be sure to check out the Biolage serum and the entire hair and shampoo range. And yeah, I hope you have an amazing week and I'll see you soon. Bye. I don't want to stop filming because I love these so much, especially in the sun. Okay.
If you'd like to make a call, please hang up and try again. If you need help, hang up and then dial your operator.